Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Thrustmaster, your steering wheel, awesome, to your PS4. Alright, so we are connecting a Thrustmaster T80 racing wheel and we're doing it on the PS4. So what we need to do is just unplug your T80 wheel from any device to ensure that it's got a clean connection process. Locate and press the PS button on the actual wheel. You need to keep it held down for the next step. So while you're holding this PS button, plug the wheel's USB cable directly into your PS4's USB port. Once the cable is securely connected, release the PS button on the wheel. Press the PS button again to validate and activate your racing session on the PS4. Ensure that the wheel's LED is solid and it's not flashing. A solid light indicates that the wheel is in racing mode, which is essential for proper game compatibility as well as full functionality. If the LED is flashing, you're in gamepad mode. Simply repeat the connection process to switch to the mode that you need. Your wheel will automatically self-calibrate once connected and powered on. You'll notice the wheel turning slightly as if it's trying to find the center position. This ensures accurate steering input and optimal performance during your gameplay.